Alright, so I thought I'd send you a video so you can probably see what I'm doing wrong here, but I got the date as a report. I don't think it really matters. But ABB robot training, out-of-state travel. Trip start, 9/23, trip end, 9/28, ABB robot training. And travel expenses be covered by donated funds. This was donated economic development, and they've got some leftover monies. So here, I'm checking my available request here. I'm doing an add. And I'm hitting next down here. Now, this is where I hit yes, and it is already defaulted to out of state. So I'm having to come over here and put Dublin, the date that we started. Whoops, sorry, get out of the way. Back to 23rd, 7 a.m. Now let's see, it was Vincennes, 28. The time was 5:38 p.m. I'm hitting save there, and that's where I get this adding this row would cause that itinerary to overlap. So I go up here to available, and I choose the itinerary I had, and oops, I must have done something stupid there because normally it populates. I guess I didn't hit assign. Here we go, and now let's hit next. Yeah. So here it is, and I've got, of course, when we were traveling, no meals were included that day. Had breakfast and lunch the 4 days of the training, and then only breakfast as we were traveling back. When I hit create expenses, that's when everything just goes haywire. So hopefully you can look at this and tell me what I'm doing that's not just right. Thanks.